Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make fried chicken drumsticks. So these are the ingredients: chicken drumsticks, onion, pepper, mixed herbs, curry powder, ketchup, mayonnaise, salt, ginger powder, garlic, flour, eggs, and milk. So guys, before we start, please subscribe, press the notification button, like, comment, and share this video. So we start by grating the onion. After grating the onion, we then grate the red pepper. After grating the pepper, we then add 3 tablespoons of canola oil, and then we add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and then we add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And add 1/2 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1/2 tablespoon of ginger powder, a 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, we add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, add a pinch of pepper, then we add vegetable cubes, we add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then we mix the ingredients together. After mixing, we then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and then we mix that together. After mixing, we then add the chicken drumsticks, and then we mix. After mixing, we then cover the chicken with cling wrap and we refrigerate it overnight to marinate the chicken very well. The following day, we are now preparing to fry our drumsticks. So we take 1 cup of flour and sieve the flour. We add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. One teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of pepper. We then mix that together. After doing that, we then put the flour aside and take another bowl and add 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. After adding the milk, we then mix the egg and the milk. And then we add salt and black pepper and mix that as well. After mixing, we then put it aside. So this is the chicken drumsticks that were left last night to marinate, and now we're taking it out, ready to fry. And then we start by dipping our drumstick into the flour and make sure that it's totally covered with the flour, and then we dip it in the egg and milk mixture. And then we dip it again in the flour. So we did this over and over again. Do this to all the drumsticks until we are done. doing that, we then take our chicken and put our chicken into hot oil. The oil must be very hot so that the drumsticks cook very well, and make sure your drumsticks don't burn. Don't put the heat too high. When the oil has heated up, just lower the heat a little bit and make sure your drumsticks don't burn. So after 15 minutes, my chicken drumsticks look like this. So golden brown, beautiful, looking delicious, looking crunchy. So we then take them out of the pot and leave them to cool for like 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, these are my drumsticks. So beautiful, crunchy, juicy, delicious. Anything you would want to see in a chicken drumstick. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button, like, comment, and share this video. So guys, thank you for watching. Join us next time for more videos.